Welcome, Shopify store owners. Are you ready to unlock your store's full potential in 2026? In today's competitive digital landscape, SEO and speed are not just buzzwords. They are the bedrock of online success, driving traffic and boosting conversions. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through optimizing your Shopify store. We'll cover cutting-edge SEO strategies and essential speed enhancements. Let's dive into Part 1, Mastering Shopify SEO for 2026. First up, keyword research. This is where your journey to visibility begins. Discovering the right keywords helps customers find your products in store. Next, on-page SEO. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and meta descriptions. Don't forget alt text for images. It's vital for accessibility and search engines. Structure your content with clear headings. This improves readability and SEO. Now, technical SEO. Leverage Shopify's built-in features. Submit your sitemap and manage robots. Text for proper indexing. Regularly check for broken links and implement redirects. Content marketing is key. Start blogging and create valuable content. This establishes your authority and attracts organic traffic. Finally, for SEO, link building. Acquire high-quality backlinks. These act as votes of confidence, boosting your search ranking. Now, let's shift gears to Part 2, Shopify Speed Optimization. Understanding page speed is crucial. It impacts user experience and SEO. First, image optimization. Compress images and use next-gen formats like WebP. This significantly reduces load times without sacrificing quality. Next, app management. Audit and remove unnecessary apps. Too many apps can slow down your store. Theme optimization is vital. Choose a fast theme and minimize code. Implement lazy loading for images and videos. This ensures content loads only when needed, improving initial page speed. Minify your code, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Removing unnecessary characters reduces file sizes. Finally, leverage browser caching. This stores static assets locally. Subsequent visits to your store will be significantly faster. In conclusion, we've covered essential strategies for Shopify SEO and speed. Implement these tips to improve your search rankings and user experience. Don't wait. Start optimizing your store today for a more successful 2026.
Are your Shopify sales not soaring as high as you'd hoped? In today's competitive e-commerce world, visibility and speed are everything. This video will unlock advanced SEO secrets and powerful speed optimization tips specifically for your Shopify store. Get ready to boost your online sales, enhance customer experience, and leave your competitors behind. Let's dive in. First, let's uncover the Shopify SEO secrets that drive organic traffic. It all starts with effective keyword research. Identifying high-intent keywords is crucial. These are the terms your potential customers use when they're ready to buy. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to discover what your audience is searching for. .c. Don't forget, long-tail keywords, TWE. These specific phrases might have lower search volume, but often lead to higher conversion rates. Next, let's optimize your on-page SEO. This involves making sure your product pages are perfectly tuned for search engines. Craft compelling product titles, descriptions, and meta descriptions using your target keywords naturally. 2. Effectively use header tags like H1, H2, and H3 to structure your content, making it easy for both users and search engines to read. Don't forget, image alt text. Describe your images accurately with keywords to improve accessibility and SEO. Implement internal linking strategies to connect related products and pages, guiding visitors deeper into your store. Now, let's talk technical SEO. A solid technical foundation is essential for search engine crawling and indexing. Ensure your Shopify store is mobile-friendly. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, so this is non-negotiable. Submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Console. This helps Google discover and index all your important pages. Regular check for and fix broken links and redirect chains. These can harm user experience and SEO. Implement structured data or schema markup to enable rich snippets in search results making your listings stand out. Finally, for SEO, focus on link building. Quality backlinks from reputable sites signal authority to search engines. Strategies include guest blogging, collaborating with influencers, or even broken link building to acquire valuable links. Now, let's shift gears to speed optimization. A fast website isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity for sales. Slow loading times lead to high bounce rates and lost revenue. Every second counts. Start with image optimization. Large EN-optimized images are often the biggest culprits for slow speeds. Compress images without losing quality, and consider using modern formats like WebP for superior performance. Implement lazy loading for images. This ensures images only load when they enter the user's viewport, speeding up initial page load. Shopify offers various apps specifically designed for image optimization. Leverage these tools to automate the process. Next, conduct a thorough app audit. Many Shopify stores accumulate unnecessary or slow-loading apps over time. Identify and remove any apps that aren't essential for your store's functionality or are significantly impacting load times. Regularly review app performance and their impact on your site's speed. Prioritize apps that offer high value with minimal overhead. Theme optimization is another critical area. Your theme choice significantly affects your store's speed. Opt for a lightweight and fast-loading Shopify theme. Simpler themes often perform better than feature-rich, bloated ones. Customize your theme efficiently. Avoid adding excessive custom code or features that aren't absolutely necessary. Minimize custom code. Every line of code adds to your page's load time, so keep it clean and concise. Finally, leverage caching mechanisms. Caching stores copies of your website's files, reducing server load and speeding up delivery. Browser caching, which allows a user's browser to store static assets so they don't have to download them again. Utilize content delivery networks, CDNs. Distribute your content across multiple servers globally, delivering it faster to users. Shopify also has built-in caching mechanisms. Ensure these are properly configured to maximize your store's performance. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to Shopify SEO secrets and speed boost tips for more sales. Remember, consistent application and monitoring of these strategies are key to long-term success. Start implementing these tips today and watch your Shopify store thrive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.